everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys. This video is all about what is in my newborn's diaper bag. So basically it's a fully packed bag for a day when I'm out and about with the baby. So if you guys keep on watching, I'll show you guys what's in my bag. Okay, so this is the Jujube Be Right Back in Chrome. I'm not sure if they make this style anymore because I've looked everywhere for it and I think they may have discontinued this particular design. And there's my puppy. Hello. So I'm going to start with the exterior and then make my way to the inner pockets. So on the outside here, I have a Contigo water bottle. I wanted to show you guys the size of this. There are other water bottles that will fit into the side pockets here. It is quite like small, I would say. So it's not going to fit like a large like say Yeti or Hydro Flask, unless it's one of those like skinnier ones. So this is just like a, I believe it is a 24-ounce bottle. I kind of forgot how much liquid this can hold, but I know other bottles that can fit in this pocket are the Sip by Swell bottles that you can get at Target, and also these Contigo water bottles you can get at Target as well. Fits perfectly on the side here without making it too bulky. On the side here, I have a Jujube Passy Pod. So I don't have any pacifiers in here right at the moment, but this is what it looks like. It has some lobster designs on the inside here, and it can hold 2 pacifiers. And I just keep this on the outside on this little D-ring here where the stroller straps go. So with the first pocket here, this is my easy access pocket because it is just magnetic, just like this. And what I keep in this particular pouch right here are some pads. So I have just a couple in here, and then I also have some baby wipes. So these are just like sample baby wipes, and I just keep them right in here for easy access, because say you go to the bathroom and you hang your backpack on the stall, it's just easy to like open it, pull out a pad, and you're good to go without like messing with all the zippers and things falling out and such like that. So that's my little easy pouch. So in this next pouch here, this is like the mommy pouch as well. So what I have in here, this is a sunglass holder. I do have sunglasses, but I usually like keep it in my car. But if I want to, you know, keep my sunglasses with me, I can keep it in this little pouch here. At the moment I just have a pen because it seems like I'm always losing pens and I always need a pen while I'm out. Next, in this little side pocket, I have a pack of tissues, and that's about it in there. And this is just like a key ring strap, but I don't keep keys on here because I don't know, I don't want to like open this pouch and then, you know, have all the stuff fall out and then just to pull out my keys. So I usually would keep my keys in this top area right here, but we'll get into that. Some other things I have in the mommy pouch, I have some gum, some minty gum as well, so these just go in here. Also, the mommy needs snacks too, so keep some Rice Krispie treats or granola bars in here. And now in this little mesh pouch down here, I have some allergy medicine, I have some hand sanitizer, and just a little travel size Cetaphil lotion for when I don't know, need lotion. Like say I have ashy elbows or something. So that is my little pouch. So now in this pocket right here, it is a like, it's a soft material in here, so it can protect valuables such as like your phone. So I have my phone in there because it's just easy. Open it up, drop my phone in, I can get it. And then also in here I keep a little wallet. So this is just like a little Target wallet. I really like this for keeping in my little Jujube because it's like I can keep my cards here, some cash, and some coins. So it's really convenient, very simple, like to the point. And especially when I'm just going out and say I'm going to Target or something, have my backpack in my cart, I could just pull out the wallet, pay the cashier, and then boom. I don't need anything too like big for when I'm carrying this big old backpack already. So that's what I keep in here. So the next pocket is like the main compartment, but I'm going to show you guys what's in the main compartment at the very end. So at the top here, right behind this little top strap, it is another like shallow area. And what I keep in here, I keep a little bit of perfume. Just something like very quick and easy to like grab. So I keep some perfume in here. This is just a mini B-set piece here. And in this little pouch, I also have some more like mommy essentials. In here I have deodorant, some floss. I have this cute little, what is this, nail clipper for myself. I don't want to accidentally scratch my child. So I have some of these in here. I have a tweezer, some breath strips, a lip balm, and hair tie. And also I have, this is just another mini B-set pouch that matches like the chrome. And in here I have nipple cream, like a little travel size nipple cream, and some Lancino nursing pads. So I keep these in here. So I'm trying to utilize all these pockets. On the back side here, you can see there is a long pocket. This is just where I keep the changing pad. Okay, now to the fun part. I'm going to open up the big main compartment. So as you can see, I have this. This is the little unicorn car seat cover. So this just goes, you know, over the car seat, and then it has right here, you can open up and see your baby. There, it's a magnetic closure, so it just pops open and close if you want to see your baby. And it's very lightweight, and you know, I just keep this in here just in case if, say, it's sunny out and I want to protect my baby from the sun. Up here I just have a muslin swaddle, so I just keep that up there. And then in this portion right here, I just have a wet bag. This is another Jujube product. Just a wet bag to keep Benjamin's dirty clothes in here. Say he has a blowout, I'll just put his onesie or whatever outfit he's wearing in here. Or I could just put whatever I want in this particular bag to protect it from the inside of the Jujube. And this is just my Jujube Be Quick pouch. So in this particular pouch, this is all my, I guess, nursing stuff. I have a nursing cover in here. This is just a boppy nursing cover. I have a burp cloth as well as a bib for Benjamin. Say I need to feed him while we are out, I have this ready to go. Back here I have this is a Be Quick, and this is basically what I use for diaper essentials. And the reason why I use this instead of a B set is because there is an extra compartment in here. So on the outside I just have diaper disposable bags. And then on the inside here, as you can see, it has a little pouch, and this doesn't have a little pouch on the inside. But in here I have, in this pouch here, so I have some baby powder, and I also have little samples of like soothing diaper rash cream. I just keep that in there. And then in this part right here I have some baby wipes. So these are just some water wipes. I have some diapers. These are just some newborn diapers, so cute. And then also I have a change of clothes, and I think it's important to keep this with all these diaper essentials, because say I just need to take him to the bathroom real quick, or just I need to change him, I pull this out and everything's good to go. And yeah, it's really convenient. And lastly, behind this mesh pocket here, this is, I guess, a little first aid kit. This is the Jujube Medium B set pouch. And in here, I have some Q-tips. I have a nose aspirator, as well as some saline spray. I have a sample of some, you know, baby lotion. A couple samples, actually, of baby lotion. Some boogie wipes. This is just hand sanitizer wipe. I also have gripe water. And lastly, I have a nail trimmer. So this is the nail snail. It's really cool and really convenient, very small. And I just keep this all in here. And basically, that's what I keep in my newborn's diaper bag. I think all this stuff is pretty practical. There's nothing like too crazy in here. I know it looks pretty like overpacked and stuff, but I think they're just essentials that I'm going to need for my baby while we're out. So yeah, that's about everything I have in my newborn's diaper bag. It may be excessive, but I just want to make sure that I have everything I need just in case. So thank you guys so much for the love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.